Dear friends, welcome all of you for the yet another tech video. Today in this video, I am going to discuss how we can create an image file without any high quality editing softwares like Adobe Photoshop, etc. So, as a basic tutorial, you can very clear develop your own concept. It's a simple tool of editing software, how we can create colorful image files. It's very simple, and I am going to use only the PowerPoint to create images. Already I discussed in on video. With PowerPoint we can create different formats of files like audio, video, and lots of images, PDF, flash files, etc. And in this section, we are going to learn how we can simply edit an image file with the support of Microsoft PowerPoint. So, just watch. I'm going to select on blank PowerPoint from here. So, we can select a lot of backgrounds, templates. First of all, we have to set some materials like background template or any other images you want to insert here. Normally, people you know very well, only editing, the simple editing is possible here. Not much higher level of cutting and pasting is not possible. So today, just watch how simply we can create one certificate file. So I had selected, saved some files here. I am going to select on background template, just dragging here. So by inserting option, I am going to insert the picture. So just go through the insert menu. You can find out the place where the file is stored. So I am selecting one file with a for the background as a template. We have to adjust the file by adjusting the width and the length. We can every time for this type of editing, you just search files with the PNG format, image files with the PNG format. Then only we will get more opportunity to edit. So we can give one title for the actually whenever we will open the file, it will come to the front. Then we have to send it to the back. We have to click here. Actually, whenever we are opening on image, that will bring another window, formatting picture tools, formatting the pictures. So send it back. Here we can add all the contents. We can change. We can make a lot of changes for this. So I would like to give one title, Commerce Hero Contest 2020. We can, using all these options, we can, all the text options, we can change the font, everything. So I would like to add some more files into this, some emblems, files like this. So all these files are PNG format, in PNG format. Just you can insert directly or by dragging all these files. So no need of much editing. Just place wherever you want. Wherever you want, you can place it. So normally, whatever may be the changes we are giving to the files, you can give. So whenever you are moving the files, be careful the alignment and everything. So we can make a lot of changes. So just make whatever may be the change you want. After that, how to save the file? So make it colorful one by adding your name or any other details of the competition, whatever it may be. So how to convert the file into image one? That is the thing you have to learn more. So look at here. Go to file. Go to the menu file. Then save as. Click the option save as. And find out place for saving the file. I just selected on the desktop. So we can change the title also. After that, we can save the file and do different image formats like GIF, JPEG, then PNG, TIFF. TIFF means that type of files can be edited in Photoshop also. So I am selecting most common used JPEG format and clicking save. Then they will ask whether you want to save only one slide or all slide. So here I have created only one slide, just this one. So the files will be available here. Look at the file, look at the image. So no knowledge is needed to learn the concept of editing image. Don't worry, you can simply create images with the support of PowerPoint. No need to learn the high quality software like Adobe Photoshop and so many things are there. So it's very simple. Whenever we can, and the file size is also very low. Just look at again. I would like to convert. I have one PPT. I have one PPT with a lot of slides. Around 14 slides are there. Do like this. You will get bulk of image in a folder. It will be saved in a folder. Do the same steps. Select the particular place and save the file option. This time I am giving PNG. No change. So save. Click all slides. The process is over. So simple. Within seconds we will get. Just look at here. One folder is open. One folder is here, and all the images, all the slides converted into image. So it is also easy to open. So remember the steps I told. Please watch all the videos and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.